Welcome back. So in our last tutorial we tested the lambda quickly, and in this tutorial we will test it directly from the user interface. Okay, so before that you need to do one more thing for this ARN to properly work. So what you need to do is you need to add a trigger basically. So just come here to the bottom and select the Alexa skill set and add it over here, and then come back here and I will select disable in this case and then click add here. So you have added the Alexa skill kit. So if you don't add this here, then there will be some problem when you try to access it from the front end. Okay, so now copy this ARN from here. Just copy the entire ARN from here. Okay, copy it and then go to our front end here, and there is a section for endpoint here, and ours is AWS Lambda ARN, and paste the ARN here. Okay, so now just go ahead and save endpoints. Okay, my session is expired. Okay, so my session was expired. I relogged in again. So now just click here and paste the ARN which we copied from there. Okay, the paste sheet, and then save the endpoints. Okay, so all good. So the skill manifest saved successfully. Okay, so now let's try testing it. Okay, let's test it. So you could either type in the command over here, or you can pass in as voice through this mic. Okay, so I will try with the mic first. Alexa, open $1 million quiz.
Welcome to $1 Million Quiz. Shall we start?
Great, it worked. Let's start.
Here is your first question. Which is the second biggest country in the world?
Okay, cool. It's all working well. Okay, so you need to notice one more thing here. So here you can see in the right side the skill input output. So here you can see the JSON input and the JSON output. So you need to have a closer look at here. So here this is the standard header basically, and then if you come down you can see the request actually here. Okay, so here you can see the intent request and the intent which was triggered. So in this case ask question intent. So we have a handler for this in our lambda code. Okay, so you can have a closer look and you can see the response as well here. So it's coming as an SSML. So SSML stands for speech synthesis markup language. So that is the standard format which is used by Alexa. Okay, and here you can see here is your first question, and which is the biggest country in the world, second biggest country in the world. Okay, so this looks okay, and there is also a reprompt which is asking the same question again. Okay, so let's go ahead then here. It's Canada.
Which is the second biggest country in the world?
So this reprompt has come because of that reprompt condition we saw there. It's Canada. It's Canada. It's Canada.
Nice job. The correct answer is Canada. You have earned $1,000. Here is your next question. Who invented software?
Okay, cool. So it worked, but there are some bugs. It looks like, because it didn't. I had to tell this 3 times, and then finally it returned back. So it could be due to a temporary issue, or it could be a bug. We need to have a closer look at the lambda. Okay, so here you can see as well here which indent. So here the answer indent was triggered and see the value. So the value Canada was passed. Okay, and then the response was this one, and then a reprompt was the next, who invented software, the next question. So now it looks like something is broken really in our code. So now it's your turn to find out the bug in the code. That's your assignment for this session. Thank you. That's all for this section. See you in the next session. Bye.